What is 11 times 32? Well, just by looking at this, I can already tell that 11 times 32 is 352. How did I get this answer? Well, it's simple. First, you take this digit here and you write it as the ones digit. Then, to get the tens digit, you add these two numbers together and you place it right here, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Finally, to get the hundreds digit, you finally just move this first digit into its place. And there you have it, 352. Now we can look at a different example. 11 times 57. First, we write down the ones digit, 7. Then, we add these two together. Now that equals 12. So what we're going to have to do is write down the units digit of that, so 2, and carry over the 1. Next, we can write down this digit right here, and make sure to carry this 1, so 5 plus 1 is 6. Our final answer would be 627. So moving on, let's try and do it with a 3-digit number. 11 times 782. First, we write down our ones digit. Then we can write down the sum of these two numbers, 8 and 2, which is 10. So we'll take this unit digit right here, put it right here, carry a 1. Then we could add these two together. 7 plus 8 is 15. Add the 1 that we carried over is 16. So that means we have 16. Write down the 6. And then you carry another 1. And then finally we have a 7. And then we add this 1 that we carried over, and that's 8. So 11 times 782 is 8,602. So on the screen here, I put 3 extra practice problems, and I would like you to try them out. So go ahead and pause the video and play the video once you've answered them all. So now that you have your answers, first let's go over the first one. 11 times 123. So first I'd write down the units digit, which is 3. Then I'd write 2 plus 3, which is 5. Then I'd write 1 plus 2, which is 3. And finally this units digit right here, 1. Our answer is 1,353. Next we have 11 times 289. First we write down the 9 in the units place. Then 8 plus 9 is 17. So we write down the 7, carry the 1 in our head. Then we would do 2 plus 8, which is 10, and add the 1, which is 11. So we write down the units digit and carry another 1. And finally we have 2, and we add the carried 1, which is 3. So 11 times 289 is 3,179. Finally, we have a 4-digit number here, and the rule applies the same way. First, we write down the 7 in the units place. Then we do 2 plus 7, which is 9. Then we do 8 plus 2, which is 10. Write down the 0, carry the 1. Then we do 3 plus 8, which is 11. Add the carried 1, which is 12. Write down the 2, carry the 1 again. And finally we have a 3. So then we would add a 3 to the carried 1, and that would be 4. So 11 times 3,827 is 42,097.